Hi, CFA or MBA? This is a question that's there in so many of the candidates. I wanted to just say, it's not an either or, right? For most students, it's not an either or. There are some, for some specific set, it might be they have to choose for some reason. We will do a separate video on this. Why am I saying that you should do both, right? If you are in undergrad, you can now take your CFA level 1 and level 2 exams, right? So you do those, if you're able to clear those, that's just a great indicator of your ability. So people who are looking to do an MBA, you are going to stand out. Instead of going to a tier 2 college, you're going to be getting into admissions into some of the top MBA schools, top B schools, right? So CFA is going to help you get there. And when you are in the B school, let's say you're at a Harvard or Yale, or you're at London Business School or one of the top schools in India, you are going to stand out to the recruiter. So when there's a placement, you're going to be one of those people who have almost achieved a professional designation. You have finished level 2 or even level 3. That's going to make the recruiter want you to hire significantly. The chances of them hiring you significantly gone up. And you're going to be the one also getting promoted, because as soon as you join this role, you will be a charter holder very soon. Once you have that experience, you are going to be a charter holder. So if you are an analyst, you're going to be fast tracked to become a portfolio manager most likely. And you can do what you really like to do. So this is the pathway to get higher compensation, higher roles, more interesting roles, to do both if you can. There are some people who might not. I will make a separate topic and compare why someone might have to do CFA and why someone might do an MBA. There are certain sets of people who will have to choose. But for most of us, most of the students, I recommend that you do CFA and a master's program, a PGDM or an MBA program. Okay, all the very best with your preparation.